is Viz. From this video, the discussion will be regarding life process in human beings. These includes digestion, excretion, respiration and the other process that takes place in human beings. For today, in this video, we'll be discussing in detail only about digestion. Before getting into what is a process, we should know what are the structures in the human digestive system. The human digestive system comprises of the alimentary canal and the associated glands. Alimentary canal comprises of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and the large intestine, whereas the associated glands include the salivary glands, gastric glands, livers and pancreas. The parts of the alimentary canal plays a major role in the digestion. The associated glands or the accessory glands lie outside the alimentary canal. Under this, we will be learning about teeth, tongue, salivary glands and the esophagus. The mouth has teeth and tongue, and the salivary glands are also present inside the mouth. The tongue has gustatory receptors that perceive the sense of taste. The tongue helps in turning over the food so that saliva can be properly mixed in it. Teeth helps in breaking down the food into smaller particles so that swallowing of food becomes easier. There are 4 types of teeth in our human body. The incisor teeth, which are used for cutting the food, the canine teeth that are used for tearing the food or for cracking hard substances, the premolars that are used for coarse grinding of food, and the molars that is used for fine grinding for food. Coming to our next one, the salivary glands that secrete saliva. Saliva makes the food slippery, which makes it easy to swallow the food. Saliva also contains enzyme salivary amylase or the ptyalin. Salivary amylase digests starch and converts it into sucrose. Esophagus helps in taking food from the mouth to the stomach by the peristaltic movement. So, what is peristaltic movement now? Peristaltic movement is the rhythmic contraction of muscles that line the alimentary canal, which in turn help them to push the food forward. To sum up, as I said, mouth contains teeth, tongue, salivary glands, and to take the food from the mouth to the stomach, we have our esophagus. So the mouth helps in intake of food, the teeth helps in chewing or grinding, tongue rolls the food and helps in perception of taste. Finally, when it reaches the salivary glands, it secretes saliva and helps in swallowing or pushing down of the food. Over here, the starch gets converted into maltose, a sugar. Finally, the esophagus takes it from the mouth to the stomach via the peristaltic movement. Now let's talk about stomach. Stomach is a bag-like organ. Highly muscular walls of the stomach help in churning the food. The walls of the stomach secrete hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid kills the germs which may be present in the food. Moreover, it makes the medium inside the stomach as acidic. The acidic medium is necessary for gastric enzymes to work. The enzymes pepsin secreted in the stomach does partial digestion of protein. The mucus secreted by the walls of the stomach saves the inner lining of the stomach from getting damaged from the hydrochloric acid. Stomach is a bag-like organ. It has highly muscular walls. It secretes 3 enzymes. The walls of the stomach secrete hydrochloric acid. To sum up, now let's talk about small intestine, liver and pancreas. Small intestine is a highly coiled tube-like structure. The small intestine is longer than the large intestine, but its lumen is smaller than that of the large intestine. The small intestine is divided into 3 parts like duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Coming to the liver. Liver is the largest organ in the human body. The liver manufactures bile which gets stored in the gallbladder. From the gallbladder, bile is released as and when required. Coming to pancreas. Pancreas is situated below the stomach. It secretes pancreatic juice that contains many digestive enzymes. So what happens over here? The bile and pancreatic juice go to the duodenum through a hepatopancreatic duct. The bile breaks down fat into smaller particles. This process is termed as emulsification of fat. After that, the enzyme lipase digests fat into fatty acids and glycerol. Trypsin and chymotrypsin are enzymes which digest proteins into amino acids. Complex carbohydrates are digested into glucose. The major part of digestion takes place in the duodenum. No digestion takes place in the jejunum. The inner walls in the ileum is projected into numerous finger-like structures called the villi. Villi increases surface area inside the ileum so that optimum absorption can take place. Moreover, villi can also reduce the lumen of the ileum so that food can stay for a longer duration in it. Digested food is absorbed by villi. As I said, the intestinal enzymes breaks down carbohydrates to glucose, fats to fatty acids and glycerol, and proteins to amino acids. The small intestine receives secretion from the liver and the pancreas. The villi helps in absorption of food into the blood. These villi are finger-like projections. The liver secretes the bile juice and the pancreas secretes the pancreatic juice. Over here, the large fat globules gets converted into small fat globules via emulsification. Now the pancreatic juice has trypsin and lipase. Trypsin converts proteins to peptones and lipase converts fats to glycerol. Coming to the large intestine is smaller than the small intestine. The undigested food goes to the large intestine. Some water and salt are absorbed by the walls of the large intestine. After that, the undigested food goes to the rectum, from where it is expelled out through the anus. Large intestine absorbs excess of water. The rest of the material is removed from the body via anus. This is termed as egestion. That's all for today. We are towards the end of our discussion. We saw about digestion in human beings in detail. Starting from our mouth to the stomach, small intestine, liver, pancreas and the large intestine, we saw the process of digestion in human beings. Hope it was easy to understand. Let's meet again with another video. Until then, bye-bye. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload a video.